Hey guys, it's Brittany and I'm back with another Plan With Me. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're returning, then what's up? So today we are going to be planning our monthly spread. I am planning for the month of August. Guys, I cannot believe that we are in August. We are over halfway through the year. And I just want to remind everyone, remember those goals that you set at the beginning of the year and the goals that you've set throughout the year. Just remember, you still have time to accomplish them. There's no time limit on it. With that being said, we are going to get planning for the month of August. So I have pulled out my seasonal LOL book, which I really like this book for doing my monthly spreads because y'all, I'm not good at them, okay? That's just what it is. I am not good at doing monthly spreads, but I'm gonna keep trying and keep working on it. So I have the LOL seasonal book, which has it kind of broken up by month, and then I have just the LOL Boss Babe. And of course, it wouldn't be a plan with me if I didn't have colorful boxes. I already have selected some washi tape that I want to use with this spread. So if you want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. My page is out and we have our August monthly spread. I have a few things that I know that's going on in August. So I was going back and forth on what I wanted to do. So they have this really cute school days. They have first day and then fresh start. So I'm thinking I'm going to do for the first day of school, I don't know. Any of these could be cute, right? Let's see what this one looks like. So that is the first day of school. There is a cute not today, Monday, not today. That is cute. So we're gonna go ahead and just add that right down here on the 5th. So like I was saying earlier, like in my introduction, I am not that good with decorating these monthly layouts. Like I'm just not good at it. I suck at it in my personal opinion. But I mean, I'm trying. Man, I ripped my sticker. Like I was saying, I'm really just not good. I haven't gotten the flow of how to really decorate these monthly layouts just yet. I'm gonna continue to work on it. I'm not gonna give up because before I started recording this video, I was like, I don't even think I wanna do it. I think I'm just gonna leave it blank and not do one for August. But I told myself that I needed to challenge myself and that I needed to do it, okay? So that is why we're here. I believe I'm going to use this washi to kind of lay out our teacher work week. So I'm gonna use this little sticky note to notate that the retreat is on those 2 days, even though it's kind of overlapping, and I do not have any adhesive to go down on that, but I like that. I think that's so cute. We have this cute girl right here. I'm gonna add her over to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull colorful boxes, and I'm just gonna pull one of these gold stickers. So we have a social for work over here, so I'm just gonna pop that down right there. I'm gonna use this don't forget sticker right here, and I am going to kind of put that right over here. I also need a sticker for this Saturday right here. So I'm going to grab yet another gold box, and I am going to be doing my cousin's gender reveal. So I'm gonna put that down, and I think I'm gonna put like this underneath it just to spice that up a little bit. And then let's do this long way. I'm going to pull a black box and kind of put that over there. I do want to notate that is the last day of camp, because y'all just do not know. Camp be driving me crazy. Of course, I'm not like in the classroom with them, but the administrative part of camp can be a little bit hectic and a little bit draining. So yeah, I'm happy that that is going to be the last day of camp. Let me take a look through my planner and see if there's anything else that I want to notate. On the 24th, I do need to notate that I have another work thing that I need to go to. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with that washi up there at the top. I'm just gonna add a little piece. So on the 4th, I'm just going to find a little brunch sticker that I can put here, because I probably will go to brunch on that Sunday with my family after the gender reveal. So that day after, we probably will go to brunch. So I'm going to notate that right there. And I think I'm going to pull a small goal and put the brunch sticker over top of it. I'm gonna look in this book. I think that there are some brunch stickers in here. Yep, right here. So I'm gonna just pull this brunch squad, and I think a black sticker would look better with this because it's a lot going on right there. So I'm gonna pull one of the small black stickers, kind of place it right there, and then place my brunch sticker right here. On the 26th and 27th, I have an orientation that I need to do, but I already have that marked right there. So I feel like everything else just can be some decor that I just want to include. So I'm going to put down a little date night sticker. I don't really know if I'm going on a date, but we just gonna put it in here. Right there. I'm gonna put down this dreaming of the weekend. Kinda on, we could put that anywhere because it says I'm over this week. So let's put that on Wednesday and like we ready for the weekend. Cute. I'm gonna put down this little relax babe sticker here, and I'm going to pull out this book, which is going to be the LOL Boss Babes, and see if I see any cute little things that I also want to add from here. This is cute, this Sunday Fun Day one, so I'm going to add that to a Sunday. I think I'm going to add that right here, but before I do that, I'm going to stick with this washi that we've been adding. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my paydays. I think I'm gonna do something different right here instead of that sticker. I think I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this sticky note up, but I'm going to add a colorful box, and I'm going to add a black one. And rather large one, I guess I should say. And let's see if we can kind of put that one's gonna be a little bit too big, so I know which size we need. Maybe this size will work because it'll stretch across both sides. So we're gonna put that just like that. And then I'm going to add one of these on there. Should we do a gold one? Let's do a gold one. Cute. Y'all, this may be the most successful monthly plan with me that I've done yet. I'm feeling it, okay? I'm feeling it. So I need a little something down here. I like this little stack of books, so I might just add that right here. So on my channel, I am hosting a giveaway, and that is went up, I'm gonna say that Saturday right there, or Sunday. So I probably close it 2 weeks after. So I'm gonna say that'll be 1, 2. So we're gonna close the giveaway right here. So I'm going to put a little mark there, and I'm going to add a gold small box, and it's just gonna be for a giveaway is over. All right, so we're gonna add this gold box right up here, and then this little icon right here. Say that the giveaway is over. Okay, this will probably fit. I may not be perfect, but my makeup is. That is cute, so we can add that. And I'm just gonna add a few more things. So guys, I'm gonna call it quits right here. I am loving how this monthly layout turned out. Like I told you guys in the beginning, monthly layouts are not my strong suit, but I am gonna continue to work on them. But I am enjoying how this turned out. It looks so good. I'm really proud of it. So this has to be my most successful monthly layout to date. If you enjoyed this video, I hope that you consider subscribing. I hope that you like, comment, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a video every time I upload. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.